Hi, welcome to this class. In this class we will study about query. In previous two classes we also study about query, but in this class we will look calculation step of query, how query works for calculation. So we'll make a table of student and we'll enter marks of student. On the basis of we will calculate his total percentage and calculate his grade or ranking. So for this, first of all we will open database, and here I will create a table. Student ID, it will be auto number and I am setting it as primary key. Student name, and here we will take 3 subject marks. One column for total, second column for percentage, and one for grade, or we can say rank. Save this table as student result. First we will fill a record, like I fill student name and his subject marks. Now we have to calculate with the help of query total, percentage and ranking. So for this we will make a query. Go to create and query design. Student result table will select, and here we will click on update. First we will take total and then we will click on update, and here we will write a formula. For total we will do sum of computer, science and art. For percent, again first we will do sum of computer, science into 100 upon 300. 300 is I am taking because suppose every subject marks is out of 100, that's why I am taking 300. So like this I apply these two formulas. These are the formula. I will paste this formula in description of also of this video. Save this query, query 1, and close. Now we can look here. As soon as we will click on query 1 and will click on refresh, so total marks will fill automatically, but it's not working. First we have to close this database. Again I will open this database, and this option we have to enable. Now we can look here, total percentage has been calculated. Again we can do for second student. Query 1 and refresh. Now we have to calculate ranking. For ranking we will make one more query. Ranking formula is this: if IIF, if percent is greater than equals to 60, then we will say rank is first. IIF if percent is greater than equals to 50, then rank will be second. IIF percent is greater than 40, then it will be third rank, otherwise fail. We have to close three brackets. This query is like this. Query to close. We can look here. Rank has been calculated. One more record I am filling. First query 1, then click on query 2, rank is third. But here one thing we can look, that to calculate total and percentage we have to click on first query, and to calculate rank we have to click on second query. On a single click we cannot calculate triple column value. So for this we can make a macro. With the help of macro we can run these two queries together, and on a single click on macro we will able to see the value of these triple columns. For this we will go to macro and we'll click on macro, and here we will open run query, open query, and in first query we will take query 1. Next open query. In second case we will take query 2. Query 1 and query 2, save. It is macro 1 and close. Now I field record like this. Now if I click on macro 1, on a single click all things will be calculated, because macro first will run this query and then this, and after that we will be able to see records. So two or multiple queries we can run simultaneously or together with the help of macro. It is one more thing that I explain you in this video. So in this video we learned how we can calculate total marks, percentage and ranking of a student based on the marks that we filled for different subjects. It is a calculation query in which we perform some calculation operation. It is based on single table but performing calculation operation. So like this we can calculate marks of a student. If you have some query or problem, you can ask me through comment. Definitely I will reply. Or if it is a helpful video for you, you can like and share with your friend, and you can subscribe my channel for such type of videos or to see more videos of this series of MS Access. And thanks for watching.